If someone just sent you a document and needs your signature urgently, don't print it. Watch this. I'm going to show you how to sign a document digitally for free in less than 1 minute. Let's get started right now.
Go to your WPS. I'm going to be showing you using two methods, so you should watch till the end so that you can get the second method. So in your WPS, click on any document or click on the document that you want to sign. For example, I want to sign this document. So before you can sign, you have to first click on edit. Once you click on edit at the top left corner, then you click on this icon at the left hand side. Once you click on this icon, then you click on inserts, as you can see, then you click on signature. Now it will take you to this icon where you can either create signature, create initials, or signature dates. Click on create signature. It will bring you to this blank white canvas where you can create your signature. So I'm just going to simply scribble my signature, the one that I want to use on the document here. You can see, just scribble it. Then you can see erase at the bottom right corner. You can erase it by just clicking on erase. It will erase, and you can make another one if you are not satisfied with the first one, like you can see that I am doing on the screen. So I'm just going to erase this one and scribble another signature, and I'm going to erase it again and scribble another one. Then I'm going to scribble another signature and then click on done at the top right corner, and you can see my signature is here on the document. You can just resize it by dragging it. You can see now that it is all done. I'm just going to resize it a bit to the size that I want, and I'm going to place it where I want it to be on the document. So all you need to do is just to keep resizing and dragging to where you want your signature to be on your document. This is very easy. You can try it using PDF or whatever document it is that you want to sign on your phone, even without stressing, and it is for free. So let me know if you are going to try it in the comment section, and keep watching because I'm going to show you the second method. So for the second method, you can apply your signature on your Google document. All you need to do is click on your Google document. Simply click on the document that you want to sign. So once you're in the document, all you need to do is first click on the edit button, and then click on the plus button at the top. Then scroll down to where you have markups. Click on it. And then when you get to markup, make sure that you're only clicking on the first pen because that's the only one you are interested. Click on it and make sure that you choose the color black because that is the color you are going to be signing your signature in. So make sure it is in color black. So the moment you have chosen color black as your pen color, you can now go ahead and sign your signature on your Google Doc. You can see, so easy, and it is for free. You don't have to pay. Now don't tell me that you don't know how to sign your signature on Google Doc. Now I have shown you in less than 1 minute. All you need to do is try it. See you in the next video.